Hey guys, it's Louie back with another video. Now, if I had to learn cybersecurity all over again, right? What I would have did off rip was hands-on. I would try to sign up for Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, every hands-on platform that I know that's reputable, right? And I know it's a very good platform to learn. I would have signed up for and just learn or just do one at a time. So let's say they try hack me. I got all that out of the way, a good amount of experience with that. I would try hack the box to see the difference, see if I could take my skills to another level and stuff like that. And the reason I say that, I know sometimes setting up your own home lab for some people, they feel like it's a little too much, but you don't even have to do that. You have stuff like Try Hack Me and Hack the Box that are right there, ready resources for you. That would be the thing that I would have focused on off rip, is the cybersecurity part. Just go straight into hands-on and stuff, and I would still do certifications. I'd still do all these different things, but I would have focused a lot more on hands-on and stuff. Another thing that I would do is research the top SIEM tools, firewall, all these different things, and just get hands-on with these different tools. It doesn't matter if I have to get like a monthly subscription for a couple months or whatever the case may be. So I would probably get a monthly subscription with Splunk or something like that, right? And just get used to it. Like just get some actual hands-on stuff, where to the point where if they take me to an interview and they just put me in front of a computer and they say, hey, use this, where's the alert? Where would you go on this application to look at the alerts or do this or whatever? You already been messing around with these tools. So I would have been focusing on that, like just doing Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and making sure I do a lot of research on the tools that are being used, do research on Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and look at the tools that I would need to use in the field when I get there. I just get those either a monthly subscription or free weekly subscription, or however they do it. That's the thing I would focus on. When it's time to put your resume together, you have all these things. You don't have actual work experience, but you have 100% experience working with these tools. Whether you're using it at work or at home, you know how it looks, you know how to operate it, right? Now, working in an enterprise environment will be different from you working at home, of course, but it will give you the understanding that you need. And then I will, of course, focus on certifications and stuff like that. For me, the certifications, the degree, it's more of just making sure that my resume and stuff look good and showing the world that if I get dedicated and I set my eyes on something, I'm going to do it to the best of my abilities, and I'm going to stay dedicated to it. Being in school, I'm being dedicated for all those years, and being dedicated to get your certifications and doing these different things is a lot of hard work. To be in school full time, to be going to work full time, to be a full-time dad and husband, and to do certifications, study for them, to take the test for them, and all these things. It takes a lot. It does take a toll on you too sometimes. That's what I would be focusing on mainly, right? When I think about anything I could think about, right? Especially with cybersecurity or information technology in general, I would be focusing on getting the hands on. As soon as I start, don't even worry about doing certs, because what I did was I did hands on a lot of labs and stuff, but I was more focused on getting the certifications, the concepts, the schooling out of the way, and then I wanted to take my time with the hands on and just really break down each aspect of it. But my best advice to anybody would be, hey, if this is what you want to do, make sure you go to these different platforms that provide you with the resources to do these hands-on training and get yourself ready for the field, right? And while you're doing that, you could do your certs, you could do your college. Yeah, that's one of the things that I would do differently, is from the first day I know that cybersecurity is what I want to do, I'd just be doing a lot of hands-on. I sign up for Try Hack Me, Hack the Box the same day, same hour. The thought crossed my mind, and I decided sign up. Just get with it. Just don't even waste no time. Just start. The stuff you're gonna be looking at is gonna be looking crazy. You're not gonna understand some of it out the gate, but eventually you will. Just focus on hands-on, get your certs, and if you want to get your degree, you could get your degree, and that would be the way how I would say it would be the most effective for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I say, all my videos are my opinions. This is not something set in stone. So do not take my opinions and just build your life around them. All I'm making these videos for is so you could take something out of it and you can apply it, but then add your own little seasoning to it. Add your own. He said he would do this. This makes sense. So let's try doing this, but I'm gonna also do this, right? You don't have to go with exactly what I said. Like I said, these videos are just to express my road, my path, the way I went about things, and hopefully just, even if it's just one thing I said gets to someone and helps someone, that's good for me. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I appreciate you guys' support, and I will see y'all in the next one.